Hey people from the Internetz, I'm Chris, and in this video I'll show you how to bypass a small inconvenience in our beloved DAW Bitwig. If you use plugins on your master channel to smooth out the frequency response of your studio monitors at your listening position or your headphones, such as Sonarworks Reference, then this tip might be of interest to you. I got this tip in the Bitwig users Facebook group from a brilliant musician named Sebastian. I will link his personal YouTube channel as well as that of his band under this video. Thanks again, buddy. The problem with such correction plugins on the master channel is that you tend to forget about them when exporting a song and then facepalm yourself while rehearsing it in the car after pondering why everything sounds so crappy. Some DAWs tell the plugins that exporting is currently in progress, so Sonarworks Reference at least wants to remind you that you'd better turn it off. Bitwig and Reference 4 don't seem to be that close friends, so this feature is not supported here. This is the point at which Barry comes to the rescue. What he advised me to do to get around this problem is this. Create an effect channel, add your correction plugin here. Now set the effect channel's input to master post and click the button on the left until it has the yellow circle with a speaker in it. This means monitor mode is on. Now set the output to studio. Additionally, set the master output to no output. What you have configured now is an extra effects channel behind your master channel and before your speakers. Now when you export your song, you can never forget to turn off your plugin again because it simply no longer exists on the master channel. Nice! Unfortunately, Bitwig does not allow you to graphically place an effect channel behind the master channel to illustrate the signal path, but this should not be a problem. I hope this tip saves you as many nerves as it did me. Simple but effective. In the coming weeks I will post several videos. For example, I would like to introduce my new studio. If you have seen my previous videos, you might have noticed that my space looks different. I have invested effort and time to create very good studio acoustics, for my taste at least, including a reflectionless recording booth down to a certain frequency. So subscribe to my channel and click the bell to not miss the videos. Oh, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. That helps me out a lot. Bye! I got this tip in the Bitwig users Facebook group from a brilliant musician named